Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find the daylight saving start and end time for the time zone regions. Okay. For example, the time zone regions in the sense like Pacific Standard Time, UTC time. So like this, we will have some time zone regions where there will be a daylight saving for a particular period. In this video, so we will find few things. So the first thing is we will find the daylight saving start time and date, as well as we will find the daylight saving ends date and as well as the time. And also we will find how to convert the local time to UTC time, as well as how to convert UTC time to this specific region time, nothing but Pacific Standard Time or Pacific Daylight Saving Time. So these three things we can learn now. Okay, the first thing, in general, in basic terminology, we will find that the differences or the conversion between the time zone regions based upon the UTC, nothing but a universal time. Okay, if you look at here, so for example, I am talking about the Pacific time. So for the Pacific time, we generally call it as a UTC minus 8, nothing but UTC is 8 hours ahead of PCT time, Pacific PST time, Pacific time. Okay, so the main thing is UTC. This is the universal time. So first thing, let's calculate the UTC time now. So here I'll say UTC time now. So the formula to convert any local time to UTC is, first thing, date add off. So now off. So now off will return my current system time and as well as the date. So to that I need to add time zone offset of then minutes or hour. So this will give the current UTC time. Okay, it is showing 6:58. If you see here, UTC time 6:58. So this is my our UTC time. It is showing 6:58, 20th December. It is giving me the exact UTC time. If you see here, this is the general month view of every month. So it is always starts on Sunday and it's always end on Saturday. Okay. Now, if you look at here, we have rows. Okay, in general, consider on first day of a week, the months get started like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then the second row is from 8 to 14. So this is the general month view. You might think that, so for example, so this month may started at Tuesday or Friday, something like that. So it is like it keeps on changing. It's a dynamic thing, but in general the month view will be like this. So it's always starts from Sunday and ends on Saturday. This will be the thing. If you look at the history of Pacific time here, so the daylight saving time is getting started on March month of every year. So the March month is constant till 2029 from 2020 onwards. If you see here, March month is constant and the daylight saving end time, November month is the constant. So in every month of November, it is getting ended. In March month of every year, it is getting started. Okay, and the year gets changes. Also, if you look at the dates here, it is always uh, on or after 8th March and it is on or before 14th March. So nothing but as per this calendar, it is always getting started on second week of March month. Okay, second week of March month. Also, if you look at the daylight saving end time in November month, it is always on or after first date as well as on or dot of on or before of seventh day. So nothing but as per this, so it is always getting ended on first week of November. Okay, so it is always starting on second week of March. It is always getting ended on first week of November. So this is the key analysis we need to keep it in mind. So this is for Pacific time region. Okay, so for different time zone regions, we can find this different histories. Based upon the histories, we can find these things. Okay, for Pacific time zone, it will be like this. Now let's go to our screen. Here you can see, first we need to, what we need to do means we need to find the first of month. If you look at here, so here the month March month is same, constant, and the years are getting changed. So we need to find the dynamic year. To get the dynamic year, we can write this formula. So we need year from now onwards, from now function. So now function will returns the current date as well as the time. So from this I am fetching only year. Okay. To this I'll add some date. So date of, if you look at the formula here, it is asking date of year, month as well as the date. So here in my case the month is constant for starting, nothing but third month, and the day will be 1. This is, I am saying that this is like first of month, that's fine. Years or years. So this is my first of month. So the month is March and the first is nothing but first date and the year 2023. On the first week of a month, so obviously the first week of a month will be the 1. So this is the first week and the daylight starting week. So here if you look at this history, the daylight is always starting on second week as per this calendar 8 to 14. It is always from second week, okay, in general. So the daylight starting week is 2. Now this is fine. So we are considering the first of month, and as per this calendar we are considering the first of month is Sunday, but in real March calendar the first of month is getting started on Wednesday. To find this particular day we can use this formula. So here we can find the weekday of first of month. So first of month will be this one. So it is giving 4. If you go here in the calendar, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is exactly giving the 4th day of a week. So this is fine. So using this data, so we are going to find the daylight saving, okay, start date. First we will see the dates and then we will go with the times also. So with these 4 things we can find the daylight saving starts date. Okay. So to reuse this formula and everything, I am going to write these formulas in my app formulas. If you look at here, I already wrote few formulas here, nothing but first of month and first of week, nothing but this one, first of week, and daylight saving starts week, which is always 2, and the weekday of a month. So this is the weekday of a month formula. Okay, I already wrote this one. Now what I will do, I'll add a label here. So this will be my daylight saving starts date. Okay, here how can we find the daylight saving start date? So we can leverage this first of month first. So we need to add some data to this first of month, nothing but date add of first of month. So this first of month name is coming from this formulas. So first of month. Okay, I'm leveraging this particular names. So first of month. To this first of month, what I need to add? So in our case, we don't need of entire row. We don't need of entire weeks. We just need the second week. Nothing but the in this week the daylight saving getting started. Nothing but second week. So here I already stored my second week. Nothing but daylight starting week in a variable here. Daylight saving starts week. So nothing but 2. So so in each week we have 7 days. So I'm multiplying this with 7. Nothing but now total 14 days. Okay. So now total 40 days. 1 to 14. 2 rows were there. 1 and 2, 14. Total 14 days were there with me. Now we are assuming that the day is getting started on first, and we are clearly saying that it is like a second week of every March. But in real time scenario, the first day is changing its day. It's changing its weekday. So in 2023 it is coming on Wednesday, and maybe in 2024 it will be on Thursday. So it keeps on changing. Okay, so to fetch that dynamically, what we can do means, so as per our formula we are getting the first of month, and then we are getting the total days. So here we have the first of, we are consuming the first of month is on Sunday, and so that we are getting total 2 rows, which is getting but 1 to 14 days. So with this 14 days I need to find this particular weekday. How can I find? With this 14 rows I need to subtract these things. Okay, I need to subtract these things. So to do that, I need to do means I need to subtract we can say, in general, we can say that we can directly subtract 4 and we can get the data. But what if we directly subtract this weekday of month? We won't get the exact date, because if you see, it is giving 3/11, nothing but March 11. But in a real case, it is like 12th March. On this date, the daylight saving getting started. Okay, so we cannot directly refer this weekday. So what we need to do? So first, date, and again dated of first of month. So to this, per week we have 7 days. So in that I am subtracting. So on which week it is getting started? Nothing but first week, first of week. Okay. Now to this, I need to find the weekday. If you look at here, based upon this formula, we can exactly get the 3/12-23, nothing but the starting date of a daylight savings. Now, using this, we can also find the end date. Same formula we can use. End date. If you go to the app and again formulas, if you look at here, I have a few more formulas. So same formulas like first of month, first of end month, same formula, but instead of March, I have kept it as a November, and the first of end week. So it is obviously 1. So every month will start on first week only. So it is always be 1. And the daylight saving starts week of a month end. As per the history, it is always starting on first week itself, in between 1 and 7. So I am considering the daylight saving start week as a 1, but in daylight saving starts time, it is like a 2. Okay, then weekday of end month. So here I replaced March with November. Now I will leverage these names here. So first of end month, then daylight saving starts week of end month, then first of end month, then first of end week. Now it is giving that November 5th is the daylight saving end day. If you go here, if you can see, this is the November 5th of 2023. Okay, this is the daylight saving end time. Fine. Now I have daylight saving start date as well as the daylight saving end date, and also I have the UTC time. As I said, if you see here, so we are calculating the date differences between, or the time zone region differences, time zone offset differences between these two regions is based upon the UTC. So this is the universal time. Now, how can we find the differences? So I will have one more label. Now, so I need to find whether it is UTC minus 8, or if you see here, it is like a forward 1 hour, backward 1 hour, nothing but UTC minus 8 or UTC minus 7. So like that I need to find now. So to do that, first here, let's say time zone offset. Okay, and the formula will be if daylight saving start date okay, daylight saving start date is less than or equal to, so nothing but if it is like January, February, or like that. Now, so this means my current date is less than or equal to March or not. It is first checking it, and along with that I need to check with the November month also, nothing but the end time. So here what I'm trying to do means I'm just checking whether my current date is in between November and March or not. To do that now, and also my end date is greater than or equal to now of, if I am not in between the March and November month, then I am in UTC time, UTC minus 7 region. This is my time zone offset, UTC minus 7. Or if I am in between, then UTC minus 8. Okay. If you look at the formula here, so first what I am doing means, so what I am checking means, first I am checking the daylight saving start time with less than or equal to now of. Now of is my current time. I am checking whether I am not there in March month or not. If I am before to the March month, and also if greater than November month. So if we are not in March and November month, UTC -8. If we are in between March and November month, then consider -7. Okay. Now we got the result as a UTC -8. If you check the time zone here, the current time zone differences between UTC and PT is -8. UTC -8. We got the exact time zone offset. So based upon these, we can find the PST time, nothing but Pacific Standard Time. Okay, PT time. This is UTC -8. Okay, to get that, copy, paste here. If you see a UTC time zone, I have wrote this formula, which is nothing but converting local time to the UTC. Same I can leverage here. So here, current PT time. PT time is specific time zone. So here I got the time zone offset as 8. Okay, here I got the UTC time. So this is my UTC time. So to further, this is my UTC time. So which converts my local time to UTC time. So, okay, here this is my UTC time. What I need to do means here for the UTC itself, I need to add 8 hours to get the PT time. So to do that, paste the same formula here. Instead of now, paste this conversion. So this conversion is nothing but converting local time to UTC time. Okay, here. So data of this is my UTC time. So for this UTC time, I need to add some time zone offset. So what is my time zone offset? The time zone offset is -8. So I have added -8. Now if you see here, the time unit should be in hours, because if you see, it is like 8 hours ahead. Nothing but UTC -8 means 8 in the sense hours. It indicates hours. So that's why what I need to do means I need to change it to hours. Okay. It is giving me time as 11:22. If you see here, the time is 11:22 and the date is 19th December. 19th December 11:22. For example, if you don't want to put it hours, you can, if you want to use it in minutes. So for 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. Like that, we can multiply with the 60. Like this, we can do. Okay. So this is to find the exact specific time. Okay. Here, we just found the differences between dates. But if you look at the history, so the PC time, the daylight savings time always starts on 2 a.m. 2 a.m. is constant in both the cases. So I can hard code this one. Okay, to do that, first what I need to do is here indirectly, I am directly doing this in time zone offset. Okay, here I have first of month. Okay, to this first of month, what I can do means I can concatenate of first of month, then comma, what I need to concat, I need to add the time, nothing but 0 to 00 a.m. Okay, I have concatenated this, but this is not in but exact datetime format. So to do that, I can convert this to datetime value. So datetime value of concatenate of this 2 a.m. So now this will give me the exact date and time format. Okay. Similarly, for this one also same thing. So instead of first of end month, I am doing same thing. Okay, it is 2 a.m. Okay, here also I will put datetime value. So based upon the datetime value, I am checking the conditions or differences. To get the better results, we can add one more condition here, like, and also time value of now of less than or equal to time value of 2 a.m. Okay. So with this formula, we are considering date as well as the time also. Now if you look at the thing, there is no change. So it will perfectly consider the time, ending time and the starting time and everything. It will perfectly consider and it will do the things. So like this, we can find the daylight saving start date, daylight saving end date. Also, we can find the differences between the time zones, and also we can convert one time zone to another time zone. Nothing but here we are converting local time to UTC, and here we are converting UTC time zone to PT time zone, Pacific time zone. So like this, we can convert. Like this, we can find the date savings and start date. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please like it and share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.